Guys, and today I recently got a kitten, but I can't get the kitten on camera. I've tried over and over again, and she keeps running off. So yeah, I don't know what to do. Just walking around the garden, trying not to get the camera in so much light, and just gonna talk to you for this episode instead of showing you all my Pokemon cards and stuff like that. I'll give you a break on stuff like that. And so yeah. If you want to comment on anything on what I should do for my next video, just say it. Please don't be sending me messages. And that's really it. This video. And bye bye for today. Bye.